Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to make this figure for our activity number 3 on computer-aided designs. So without any further ado, let's start. So first, we're going to make a circle. Circle with a diameter of 1.13. And then another circle with a diameter of 2.06. Another circle with a diameter of 2.88. After that, we are going to create a line starting from the center of the circles, going down with a length of 1.49 in a 90-degree angle. After that, we're going to make another line from the end of this line with a length going to the right of 2.62. Press escape. After that, you're going to make a circle from the end of this line. So let's make a circle with a diameter of 0.75. And then another circle with a diameter of 1.88. So, and then what we're going to do is we will put a center line. So just going to use this line and then use magenta color and then click line. So we're going to have a center line of 5.26. And then after that, we are going to make a line going up. So we're just going to change this. From here, we're going to make a line of 1.62. 1.62 with a degree of 90. And then 3.62 going left, a line of 3.62 going left, 3.62 180 degrees, and then a line of 1.26 with a degree of 90. And then 3 going to the right, we have and then a line going to the right of 3.62, 0 degrees. After that, we are just going to trim this part. So just click trim and then remove this line. And then I'm going to press F, enter, R, enter, and we're going to use a 0.12 radius for the fillet. So we're just going to click two sides of the rectangle, then F, or another one, and another one. After that, we're going to find the midpoint on the right side and create a line with a length going to the left of 0.76 and another line with 2.26. After that, we're going to create a circle. The circle will be placed on the end point of 0.76 with a diameter of 0.375 and another one here with the same diameter of 0.375. After that, we can delete these lines, our guidelines. So just click trim and we're just going to trim this. We need to connect this side on the edge of this rectangle. So we're just going to enter L and then shift right click tangent. So I'm just going to click here and here. Press escape. And another one here at the bottom. So we're going to again L, enter, shift right click. L, enter, and then shift right click on tangent. Then click the circle and again shift right click tangent and select this circle. So just press escape. Now we can, I'm sorry, I messed up here. Again, we have to connect this side on this circle. So again, L, enter, shift right click tangent. So this circle and this edge. So now we can trim all the unnecessary lines. So this one, this one, after that we're just going to make a line on this side. So just going to make our guideline. So 0 degrees and then a line going up from here 90 degrees. We're just going to trim the lines that are not needed. After that, we are going to make again F, enter with the radius of 0.94. So we're going to click these two sides, so this and this one. So the line here has been removed, so we're just going to reline this. We can also remove this guideline and then create a line again from the center of the circle going to the right of 1.70 with an angle of 0. After that, a line going up from this point, a line going up with a length of 0.4743. A line going down with the length of 0.6457. We're just going to create a straight line here. So next is we're going to create a line from the center of the circle going down with an with a length of 1.890 degrees. And then we're going to offset this line with a distance of 0.47 on both sides. And offset it again with a distance of 0.28 on both sides also. And then since we need to remove the upper portion of these lines, we're going to create a line here of 0.390 degrees for us to cut this portion of the line, and then we're going to trim the rest of the lines. After that, we're going to create another line from the center again of the circle, going up with a length of 3.023 with an angle of 82 degrees. After that, we're going to proceed on the right side of the figure. And we need to draw a line from here with a length of 2.90 degrees. And then we will create a line from here with a length of 2.03. After this line, we're going to create a line from there with a length of 2.12. degrees, and then create a line and then offset this line with the length with the distance of 0.56, and then offset this line again with a distance of 0.94. And then we're going to create a circle here with a diameter of 0.375. After that, we're going to continue this line of 5.06. This will be our baseline. So after that, we're going to make a line here with the length of 0.380 degrees, going down. So we have 2.03. And then another line of 0.24, and then another line here of 0.24, then just connect it down to the baseline with 2.03, connecting here with 0.14 degrees, going down 0.6790 degrees. We're going to connect a line here with a length of 0.30. We're going to extend this line going there and then add another 0.29. Sorry, 0.29, 90 degrees, and going to the right with a length of 0.56, and then connect it on the baseline again. We're just going to trim the unnecessary lines. After that, we're going to create a line from the center of the circle going to the right. And then another line connecting here. After that, we're going to connect this line to this line. And then we're going to trim this part because we don't need this. So we'll create another line here. And then we will divide this line into 0.55. After that, we are going to extend this line going here. After that, we're going to extend this line here and add additional line that will be parallel to this. And then we're going to make an offset of this line with the distance of 0.11. Then we're going to find the 1.30. We have 1.30 degrees. And then we're going to find the center of this part. So we're going to connect this center to the 1.30. We're going to create a line here with 0.11 and then connect the end line on the bottom of the 1.30. After that, we are going to trim all the unnecessary lines. So after that, we are going to create the fillets. So I'm just going to click F, R, 0.12, and then we'll create here. I'm just going to connect the lines that are removed. Then we're going to connect this to this line so we can make a filling. We are going to create a guideline which is perpendicular to this circle center line. So So we will extend this line because this will be the center of our circle. So we're going to create a circle right here with a diameter of 0.375, and then extend again the lines here. After that, we're going to create a line going down from here with 1.7090 degrees, and then a line going to the left 1.14, and then we will create a circle right here with a diameter of 0.375, and then another circle with a diameter of 1.12. Then we're going to create a line with a length of 0.80 degrees. And then just trim. After that, we're going to create a line here that will divide this side and make a fillet here. So we need to extend the line here again. And then we're going to create a line from here going down with 1.88 90 degrees, and then connect it on this side. And then we need to make a circle. So the circle will start at 1.12. So we're gonna make 1.12 180 degrees, and then create a circle with a diameter of 1.12 and another circle inside of it with a diameter of 0.375. Then we're going to offset this line by 0.10. And then create a line from the center left of this small circle that will connect to the line that we just offset. And then we will trim this line. So after that, we're going to connect this line, this to this, and we will use that intersection to create the arc right here. So we're just going to click arc, and then we will use start end radius. So click here, and this will be the end, and then our radius will be 1.76. Then we'll just trim this part and this part. From here, I'm going to have the right here. After that, we are going to fillet this intersection 0.12, and then extend the line again. Then we have to fillet again this. So here is our figure, and the last thing that we shall do is put all the measurement and dimensions of this figure. So here is our final figure for the power feed activity. I hope you learned something today for the power feed tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you next time.